At Chemical Direct, we are serious about not only selling your equipment, but we back it up with award-winning service. We want to offer you our partner and after-sales service second to none. That is why in 2008 we started to come up with a fresh, innovative way to track your callouts, track your equipment with service history, score of your equipment with our unique algorithm, measure performance of your equipment, access to all manuals and training videos. Sam puts you firmly in control by giving you full control of your cleaning fleet. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to introduce you to Sam, Service and Maintenance from Chemical Direct. As a Chemical Direct client, you will be given your own personalized login and be able to track all of your equipment with a click of a button. Let me take this time to show you a brief overview around Sam. Welcome to Sam's administration main dashboard. Here you will see a list of jobs waiting to be assigned to an engineer. Here you will find a list of today's jobs. This is a live map of all of our engineers on the road. This helps us with per kilometer billing and also tracking time spent on site. This shows upcoming pad tests, and here you can see the daily total of calls. Now you have seen a brief overview of the dashboard. Let's grind down and see what Sam can bring to your business. Let's look at some of the key features that make our clients choose our service team powered by Sam above our competitors. Product knowledge is key to Sam, so if you need to view user manuals, parts drawings or watch training videos, we put you fully in control. Simply click Machines, Assign Machines, and you will see all the details, including service history of every machine. Once we select the machine, not only can we review a complete log or life story of that machine, we can view every document or video related to that machine. Once you agree your specific requirements with the CD Sam team, we will be able to create bespoke rules around your equipment by setting different triggers for different results. For example, if a machine is fine and only has had 1 to 3 engineer callouts in a year, the machine will remain green for good. If the machine has more than 3 callouts, our TLS system will turn orange and action will be needed to either retrain staff or at worst replace the equipment. All of this is monitored 24 hours a day by our SAM administration team. Do you know what equipment you have on what site? With SAM, we take this ever-growing worry away. Any site our engineers visit is uploaded to the system, and finding your stock is as simple as searching by serial number or scanning a QR code of that machine, or by running your own equipment reports. Go through all the reporting sections in SAM. All of these reports can be exported to either PDF or Excel in just one click of a button. Here at Chemical Direct, we love reports and analytics just as much as we love cleaning equipment. That's what makes us the leaders in Ireland for service. Sam is giving our admin team live data so we can work efficiently while giving you, the client, real-time live data and up-to-date statuses of what we are doing for you. The reporting section of SAM shows us different types of calls with different types of problems, even outcomes. Taking this information, we can see different trends and also increase our product knowledge to know we are supplying the correct machines for the job across a wide range of sectors. We are constantly training our engineers with this critical data from SAM to give you a fantastic service with the knowledge of knowing your equipment and service is in safe hands. Thank you for watching. Please contact any member of our team to discuss your requirements today.